Hi guys, today we have used the world's costliest implant for orthopedic surgeries in the form of Regen patch for a rotator cuff repair surgery. The implant itself costs around 5 lakh rupees. Rotator cuff tears are quite common in the shoulder. A patient suffering from a rotator cuff tear will be unable to lift his hand above shoulder level. This patient had a rotator cuff tear because of a fall, because of which she was unable to lift her hand and had constant pain in her shoulder. The patient was suffering from this pain since the last 18 months, which was not getting better by medicines, and even she had tried few injections in the shoulder which had not given her the desired relief. At this point of time, the shoulder muscle had torn, and also on MRI the quality of the muscle was not looking great. We offered to repair the rotator cuff and if required add this Regen patch, which is a collagen patch which enhances biology of the rotator cuff tissue. This is usually a decision that is taken by the surgeon in consent with the patient. This surgery is covered under insurance and even the cost of the patch is covered by insurance. The beauty about this Regen patch surgery is that it is an all arthroscopic surgery. That means the whole procedure can be done with minimal soft tissue injury and minimal damage to the shoulder. Because this is all arthroscopic, the cuts on the skin are also quite less. And that is why this patch is a revolution in rotator cuff surgeries. Thank you.